so happy to see you here at OhmAzing Living. We're going to do a chair sequence to really rev up our heart, get our blood flowing, raise our heart rate a little bit, and just start to bring some stamina into our bodies. So we're going to start first with a little bit of a grounding meditation. So sitting up nice and tall, take your feet maybe a fist width apart, placing your hands onto your lap. Take a nice big breath in through your nostrils. Exhale, slowly drop your shoulders down and back and relax. So we're going to do a little bit different breathing exercise today. We're going to do an alternate nostril breathing. And I'll demonstrate first before we get started. But the way that works is we're going to take our thumb and our finger next to our pinky, and we're going to use those two fingers to close one side of our nose, breathe in through that nostril, and then pause, close that side of our nose and release the other side, and exhale through the opposite side, pausing at the bottom. We're going to start on the left side. So take a nice inhale in, get your hands ready, use your thumb to close off the opposite side. Take a nice deep breath in through your left nostril. Pause at the top, using that finger next to your pinky, close off the left-hand side, release your thumb on the right, exhale out through the right. Inhale in through the right, close off the right, release the left, and exhale out through the left. Let's repeat that 3 more times. Inhale to the left. Pause, close off the left, release the right, exhale to the right. Inhale to the right. Exhale to the left. 2 more. Inhale to the left. Exhale to the right. Inhale to the right. Exhale to the left. Last one. Inhale to the left. Exhale to the right. Inhale to the right. Exhale to the left. Release your hand back down to your lap. Inhale through both nostrils. On your exhale, open your mouth side out. Relax the muscles in your mind. Drop your shoulders down. 1 more breath. Inhale it in. Open your mouth. Gently open your eyes. Hi, welcome. Let's start with our hands on our shoulders. So put our fingertips on the top of our shoulders. Elbows are sticking out to the sides. On your next inhale in, bring your elbows together in front of you to touch. Exhale, bring your elbows up and drop them back down to the sides. Again, inhale in. Exhale it up. And bring your arms down to the side. 1 more. Inhale, bring your arms into the front. Exhale it up. And bring your arms down to the sides. Go ahead and stretch those arms out to a T. Take a big breath in. Drop your shoulders down. Relax your jaw. Maybe you pull your ears back a little bit. Sit up nice and tall. Let's do some arm circles. Take a big breath in. And begin rotating your arms towards the front. Nice, gentle arm circles. Kind of medium, not real small, not real large. And then gradually begin making them a little bit bigger and bigger. And when you find yourself back in a neutral position, stop. Take a breath. Take a nice big inhale in. Reverse your arm circles a little bit small to start. And And then kind of medium as you're going along. And make them a little bit larger, 3 or 4 more. And when you find yourself back at the center, go ahead and stop. Drop your arms down to the side. Take a breath. Exhale it out. Just warming up a little bit here. I'd like for you to take yourself and scoot yourself over to the right-hand side of your chair so you're forward and you're over to the right so that your right hip is kind of off the chair. Use your left hand to hold on to the side of the left side of the chair. Bend your right knee. See if you can grab your foot and go ahead and pull it back so that your knee is facing down, pointing towards the floor, and give it a tug. We're trying to stretch our quadriceps a little bit, stretch our hip flexors here in the front of our hip. Go ahead and give it a nice tug. Don't forget to breathe, breathing in and out. On your next exhale, go ahead and drop your leg down. Scoot yourself over to the opposite side of the chair. Again, hold on to the side of the chair with your right hand. Take your left hand, reach down, grab your foot, and then pull your leg back so that your knee is hanging over the side, your leg and your hip are hanging over the side, your knee is pointed down towards the floor. As you pull on your foot, pulling it back towards your glute, stretching that quadricep, not forgetting to breathe. And exhale, release. Alrighty, let's come forward in our chair and we're going to start revetting up a little bit. So get your sits bones so that you're almost on the edge of the chair. Take your arms to your sides. We're going to run in place for 30 seconds. Get ready. I'm going to watch the clock. And on your mark, get set, go. Pick up one leg, then the other. Swing your arms back and forth. Keep going. Keep going. Still 15 seconds to go. Let's go. Keep going. You can do this. Sit up nice and tall. Picking up your legs. Activate your abs. 5 seconds. And stop. Sit up nice and tall. Arms out to a T. Take a big breath in. Drop your shoulders down. One more time. Inhale it in. Twist towards the right. Right hand behind you. Left hand in front. Inhale. Exhale. Twist to the left. Keep going. Inhale. Exhale to the right. Inhale. Exhale to the left. 3 more. Inhale. Exhale back. Keep going over to the left. Inhale it back to over to the right as you exhale. And 1 more. Over to the left. And come back to center. Drop your arms. Roll out your shoulders. Other direction. Roll them out the other way. Get ready. We're going to run in place one more time. On your mark, get set, and go. Pick up those legs. Activate your abs. Swing your arms. Keep going. Keep going. Keep going. You can do this. Really activate. 15 seconds. We can do this. Come on. Let's go. 5 more seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and stop. Inhale. Arms up. One more time on your exhale. To the right. Inhale to center. Exhale to the left. Nice and tall. Sit up nice and tall as you twist one side to the next. That was 2 on each side. 3 more. Right. Left. Don't forget to breathe. Right. Left. 1 more. Right. Left. Inhale. Take your arms all the way up. Take your feet out about 3 or 4 fists widths apart on your exhale. Hinge forward, bend over. As you come all the way down, if you want to hold onto the sides of your chair, feel free. Drop your head. Breathe. Calm your breath. Inhale, halfway lift, hands to your shins. Pull your shoulder blades together. Crown of your head's facing forward. Exhale, forward, fold it down. Inhale, slowly come back up. Been upside down, so go ahead and take a second here. We're going to scoot back in our chair just a little bit, enough that we can open our legs out wide like a goddess pose. Sitting up nice and tall. We're going to come forward maybe just a little bit if you find yourself too far back. Cactus your arms. And we're going to do some side bends and leg lifts at the same time. So take a big inhale in. On your exhale, take your right elbow to your right hip as you lift up your left knee. Drop your knee, come straight. Opposite side, left elbow to left hip, bring your right leg up. Keep going. Keep going. We've done 2 on each side. 3. Keep going. 4. Let's rev it up a little bit. 5. All the way to 10. 7. Keep going. 8. 9. Last one coming up. 10 to the right, over to the left. Bring it up. Hold arms straight up in the air. Interlace your fingers. Push your palms up. On your exhale, take your arms out to a T. Face your palms outward like you're trying to push out. Push, push, push. Keep your legs spread into a goddess pose. Exhale, slowly bring your arms down. Come forward. Drop your hands to the floor. If you need to use blocks, if you can't reach the floor, that's okay too. You can always put a block on the floor. Keeping those legs spread, feet grounded into the floor. Inhale, keep your right hand down. Pick up your left hand. Twist. Maybe you can see your thumb, maybe you can't. Exhale, bring your left arm down, bring your right arm up. Again, maybe you can see your thumb, maybe you can't. Exhale it down. Bend your elbows, really nice deep stretch here. Inhale, slowly come on back up. Arms out to a T, press your palms out, out, out. Inhale and exhale, relax your shoulders. Exhale it down. On your next inhale, bring your arms all the way up. Bring your feet back together. If you have a block, you can slide it over to the side. And on your exhale, drop your arms down to the side. Mountain pose. Sit up nice and tall. Really get your feet grounded into the floor. Lift up those toes and then bring them down. Kind of clutching the floor, raising your arches. Good exercise for your arches. Nice foot lock. Take a breath in and exhale it out. I'd like for you to make sure that you're forward in your chair. We're going to do a boat pose and some toe taps. So hang on to the sides of your chair if you need to. Nice flat back. Inhale. Slowly go ahead and lean back. And when you feel those abs catch and your back is still straight, that's where you stop. And we're going to do some leg lifts here. So take a great big inhale in. Lift your legs. Exhale, drop it down. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Legs up. Exhale, down. Inhale it up. Exhale it down. Keep going. Inhale up. Exhale down. 5 more. 1, 2, 3, 4. Can you do 2 more? 5, 2 more. 6, 7. All right, drop your feet down, come up. Amazing job, you guys, amazing job. Let's sit back just a little bit in our chair. Feet are about 2 fist widths apart. I'd like for you to pick up your right leg, Cross it over your left in a figure 4, flexing that foot to protect your knee. Sit up nice and tall. Inhale. Pull your navel in and up towards your spine. And on your exhale, hinge forward. You can use your hands down the sides of the chair if you want something to hold on to. Maybe you hold on with your left hand and you take that right hand and just open that right knee a little bit. Just gently press down on it. Feel that stretch that you're going to get in your outer thigh, in your glute muscle, in your hip flexor. Take a couple of breaths here. Exhale it out. On your inhale, come up just a little bit. And on your exhale, see if you can go down just a little bit farther. Nice flat back, head is straight, just looking at the floor. Inhale, slowly bring yourself back up. And go ahead and unwind your legs, realign yourself, get your feet planted back onto the floor. Take a breath in. And on your exhale, go ahead and switch legs, bring that left leg up, cross it over your right, flex your foot, protect that knee, and gently push that knee away, trying to open that hip up. If you'd like to hold on to the side of your chair with your right hand, please do so as we inhale, pulling that navel in and up towards our spine, nice flat back, hinge it forward. Pushing on that left knee if that's in your practice, keeping that foot flexed. Nice flat back. You're just kind of looking at the floor, your neck and your shoulders, everything should be aligned. Breathe. Your next inhale, come up slightly. And then on your exhale, see if you can go down just a little bit more. Maybe it's just 1/8 of an inch. Feel that stretch. See if you feel it in the same place on this side. Each side is just a little bit different. Inhale, go ahead and come on back up. Slowly unwind yourself. And let's take our feet about 2 fist widths apart here. Sitting up nice and tall, mountain pose, really grinding our feet into the floor, pushing down with our feet. Sitting up nice and tall, drop your shoulders down and back. Inhale, engaging your abs, engage everything, and just sit nice and quietly. And close down your eyes for Shavasana. Taking slow, deep, easy breaths in and out. Inhale through your nostrils. Exhale, relax your jaw, let your tongue become heavy in your mouth. Allow your eyeballs to just relax back in their sockets as you relax your shoulders. Inhale. Exhale, just melt into the chair, keeping a nice flat back, but relaxing all the muscles in your body. Breathing in and out. Thanking yourself for showing up today for your practice. Whether you're getting ready for a new day or it's the middle of the day and you just needed something to give you a charge. Inhale and exhale. Go ahead and slowly inhale and exhale for the next couple of breaths to finish your Shavasana. Thank you so very much for joining me today. I really enjoyed teaching you. I hope that I'll see you again in some of my other videos. And if you could, like and subscribe or leave me a comment on what else you'd like to see. With that, I am going to bow and say Namaste, Shanti, Shanti, peace. Thank you.